what I have is an unfortunate story, and really, Rastafari say I know. Whenever I have to do these story, ladies and gentlemen, it's just bothering to me, because it just reminds me of how I say, don't press my people are, how dark my people are. Because here you have Jamaica, Hanover, Jamaica. It's another family that's in shock and grief now. Because as the missing 18-year-old from Hanover has been found, unfortunately, she was found dead. The 18-year-old woman who was missing is now found dead. The deceased has been identified as Tecia Hall of Marchtown, Green Island, Hanover, who was reported missing since Saturday, March 25th. Family members made a report to the police that the hall could not be found, and after several days of searching, the decomposed body of the female was found in a canefield. Reports are that the victim left behind a 3-year-old. It was from Marchtown area of the parish. Police sources are reported that they are now questioning 2 male suspects regarding the death of the teenager. Now, it's unfortunate that this 18-year-old lost her life, but we have to start looking now if there are some kind of serials that are abducting these ladies and taking their life. It's another tragic situation as the community is in grief. It's sickening for these young women to be losing their lives just like this. This 18-year-old went missing Saturday in Hanover, and these 2 men are now in question, as reports are saying that 2 men in Hanover area has been detained for the murder of the missing woman. Residents of Marchtown in Hanover are in shock after the 18-year-old girl from the community who was reported missing 2 days ago was found murdered early this afternoon. The body of Tecia Hall was found sometimes after 1 o'clock in a canefield covered by trash during a search by residents and police. Heads of the Hanover Police, Superintendent Shannon Beepwood, told our news century that 2 men have been detained for questioning in connection with the murder. Shafae Stewart, the mother of Tecia, told our news center that she last saw her daughter Saturday night. Ms. Stewart said she filed a missing person with the police on Wednesday, and autopsy is being conducted to determine the cause of her death. A wicked set of people in my island, ladies and gentlemen, and it continue to be just a heartbreak every time I see these kinds of news. It's just, I have to just question, are there no justice for these innocent people? And when we do catch these criminals, it appears that we turn the criminals into victims and then criminalize the victim for being victims. Ladies and gentlemen, it's shocking. It's unfortunate that these men are so brutal and unconscientious. Jamaica, we need a change. I've been calling for the death penalties for years. And we're not going to get no difference till you fight fire with fire. It's unbelievable that we continue continue to lose our young women in such heinous ways, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button for me, ladies and gentlemen, and share the content. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. I'm more life, I'm more joy, I'm more happiness.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And let some black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them, well them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them, well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, fire king. Yeah,
Big up Deep